Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best show teach 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called A Shield to protect your device. This is called Sorry Low Battery and set fake battery percentage from settings. Supports iOS 7 to 14. This is called No YT Premium and remove YouTube Premium upsell alerts. This is called Super Recorder S Plus. Record any phone call or VoIP on your iPhone without using its internal service. And if you guys read the disclosure and a warning legal notice, so this is pretty much what you guys want to read and follow. If you guys do not, you guys could be held liable for any damages or forever whatever you cause, because it's breaking the law, depending on where you guys live. If you guys don't follow this right here, so just make sure you guys read this, comply with it, and your developer is not responsible for how you guys use this tweak. This is called PoJab Launcher iOS Dev, and Minecraft Java Edition comes to iOS. This is called April and augment your settings app aesthetics to the next level on the fly. This is called AdGuard Pro Toggle, flip switch for AdGuard Pro. This is called Album Art Icon Dodger, iOS 14 only. This is called Libya Raise, should be only used for iRaise products. This is called Bat Rate, the battery discharge rate monitor, compatible with iOS 11 to 14. See active battery information, current charge discharge percentage, cycle count, voltage, current battery capacity. This is called Digital, well, it's an add-on front page expert, digital for front page. This is called Frida, inject JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called Lock Plus Pro, ultimate lock screen tweak, so it has over 10,000 downloadable free themes for your lock screen. This is called Universal Video Downloader. You can download almost any video stream or video file from many different apps with Universal Video Downloader. Supports iOS 8 to 14. This is called TW Classic Font, bring back old font on Twitter, plus blue style. This is called TW Copy DM and Copy Twitter DM, supports iOS 11 to 14. This is called TW Confirm and Confirm button if you press like on Twitter, stop autoplay media and timeline. This is called What to Do 3 for WhatsApp, or 1 tweet for WhatsApp Messenger, supports iOS 9 to 14. This is called Playtopia and it's the most beautiful music and tiny player for iOS. Comes with 2 display modes, small and tiny. This is called UU, best tweak for the YouTube app. So you can now support all YouTube formats, MP4 plus WebM and all YouTube qualities from 144 to 4K and frames 30 frames per second, 50 frames per second, and 60 frames per second. Also supports HDR. So these features right here. This is called Telegram Profile Pictures for Sure Look. This is called Folder Plus, take back control of your folders. This is called UI Kit Tools, UI Kit Graphics Services Command Line Access. This is called AMELIJA, take full control of your wallpapers on the fly. This is a theme called Kiwi, key theme for your iOS device. This is called C-Sources 2, and this tweak, csources2.app, so allows you to have full control over your sources. This is called Meredith and Die with Memories, Not Dreams. So colors your favorite apps. Meredith, either color system wide or your favorite or for your favorite apps. This is called Playtopia 2, a floating music player. So it was actually the second one. This is called Panic. Stop, don't panic. You can still fix this. So if your device is ever frozen or you need it to hop into safe mode real quick, this tweak has a solution for you. And the last tweak is called Notations. Actually, not the last tweak. And the sticky notes experience for iOS. This is called Animatune Pro, also an animated theme. This is called Grider and display any grid you want anywhere you want. This is called Translomatic, quickly translate any text. This is called Call Delete and allows you to delete calls from iPhone standard mobile application. And last is called Call Recorder X Plus, similar to called Super Recorder X Plus. Allows you to record phone calls and all that stuff. Just make sure you guys follow and read and comply with the warning and legal notice right here. Media developers not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. Just make sure you guys follow the laws so you won't get in any trouble. But you guys, and also just so you guys know, this video and every other video I make on all my channels is for educational purposes only. For how you guys use the video or use the methods or showing the video is completely up to you. I'm not informing you to use it a certain way. I'm just making a video on a service and what it has a compatibility to do, not telling you to use it in a malicious or bad way. But just keep that in mind. But you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.